Hello children, today we will see the 22nd chapter of your book, that is alphabetical order. So we will do the exercise, but before we do the exercise I want to explain you a little bit how do we write the words in alphabetical order. And then if you know how to write, it is easy for you to find the words in dictionary also. So let's see how do we write the word in alphabetical order. So children, alphabetical order. Alphabetical has come from the word alphabets, right? Alphabets you all know, A, B, C, D, E, F, G till Z. It is all called alphabets or letters. So order means what? To write something in a proper sequence, in proper order. Suppose if I have written the word ball, dog, apple. So children, first thing is that we arrange the words in alphabetical order according to the first alphabet, first letter of the word. Like here, ball. The first alphabet is B. Second is dog. The first letter is D. Apple. The first letter is A. So we will see the first letter, and according to first letter only we will arrange it in alphabetical order. If we see these words, ball, dog, apple. Now which is the word in which the first letter comes first? Apple. Because A comes first, it is the first alphabetical alphabet. So first we will write apple. Now second what comes? After A, B comes. So here B, ball. So next word will be ball. After that C comes, but here we don't have any words starting with C. After that D comes. So here we have the word dog. It's starting with D. So the next word will be dog. See, A, B, C we don't have, D. So likewise we will write the words according to the alphabetical order. Now we will see the words if the first letter of all the words are same. If I take the example like suppose ant or alligator, apple. So in this children you see all the words are starting with A. So in this how we will arrange them in alphabetical order? Now we will look at the second alphabets of the word. Okay, second letter of the word we will see. So A is same, so forget it. Now come to second alphabet. N, L. There are two L's, but we will see only one, the second place. And here P. Okay. Now which comes first? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. So L is the alphabet in all, among these three, L is coming first. So first word will be alligator. L, M, N. Second is coming ant. L, M, N, O, P. Third one is coming P. So now you see alligator will be the first word, ant will be the second word, and apple will be the third word. Now what if first two letters are same? Then we will see the third letter. Okay, let's see some examples. Let's say ball, baby, baseball. Now you see here first two alphabets are same in all the words, B, A, B, A, B, A. Now first two alphabets are same. Now what we will do? We will see the third alphabet. So what is the third alphabet here? L, here B, and here S. So what comes, as we can clearly see, B comes first, A is not there, so B is there. So we will write here baby. After that, what comes here? S and here L. So what will come? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. That means L is coming first. So we will write here ball. And then third one, baseball. Okay children, so like this we will arrange the words in alphabetical order. If you find some words where the first three letters are same, then you see the fourth one. So like this we can arrange the words in alphabetical order. So I hope you have understood how to arrange the words in the alphabetical order. So now we can see, do the exercise. So open page number 71. Here are the names of two groups of friends. One group of names is in red and the other is in blue. Write the names in the correct alphabetical order in the blanks given below. So we can see that there is a wheel and around the wheel there are some names written in blue and red color. So we will arrange the names which are written in red color. First we will arrange those words in alphabetical order, and then we will arrange the words which is names which is written in blue color in alphabetical order. So first see the names which is written in red color. So we can see Sejal, Zain, Varun, Harsh. So these four names are in red color. So tell me which alphabet comes first. That will be the first letter, first word. Here first we will see names in red color. So here see Sejal S, Z comes at the last, we know, Varun V, and Harsh H. So H comes first, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, so H comes first, so we will write Harsh. So first you write Harsh. After that, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. Sejal. Next will be Sejal. After that, Varun, V will come. Varun. And last will be Zain, because Z is the last alphabet, we know. So in names in red, alphabetical order, Harsh, Sejal, Varun and Zain. Now names in blue. What are the names in blue? See, what are the names given? Ken, Meena, Divya, Yash. Now in all these four words, which alphabet comes first? D, right? So Divya will be the first word. What will be the second word? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. K is coming. So next word will be Ken. And after that, after K, M will come. So Meena. And after M, Y will come. So the fourth one will be Yash. So according to alphabetical order, Divya, Ken, Meena, Yash. This is the alphabetical order. Children, when teachers take attendance in the morning, they call out your name. So they don't just call out in a random way. They call out in the alphabetical order now. First, the name of the students whose name starts with A alphabet. Their name comes. After that, B, C and so on. So like this only, these names are arranged in alphabetical order. So I hope you have understood it. Write in a neat and clean handwriting. Thank you.